Case 3 where Hoffman product will be major product is when alkyl halide contains one or more double bond. Let's take an example like this. CH2 double bond this is what I am doing, and here is your Br, right? And this is what? This is methyl group. This is already having a double bond, right? If we go by mechanism, see base which I am using, again a small, not hindered, alcoholic KOH. If I am using this, then according to the Sadzeff rule, what it says is that more the number of the alkyl group, more is the stable, right? So more stable is the alkene, means my major product, if we go by that rule, see here this is a alpha carbon and this is what? Beta, and here also there is a beta. On both beta carbon there is a hydrogen, here there are two hydrogen, here there is one hydrogen. So abstraction can be done from both, right? So we can have alkene like case 1, let's say OH minus, I'll write this hydrogen and I will write a hydrogen over here. I'll show both in one reaction. Let's say this OH minus is abstracting this and this OH minus is abstracting this. Either A or either B I am seeing. Either this or this. These are the two possibilities, right? If this is abstracting, then this Br will go. If this is also abstracting, this Br will go. But if A is going, then the double bond will be formed here, and B is there, then double bond will be formed here. Let's say there are two paths I am defining. One is A and other is B. So if it is via A, then the product which I am going to get is this, then over here, and the double bond will be formed here. And this is our methyl, this is our methyl, right? If it is via this B, then this is the double bond over here, this, and here is the again double bond, CH3 and CH3, right? So this is what? This is like more the number of the alkyl group on either side of the double bond, more is the stable, is the alkene, right? Over here if you see, there are how many alpha hydrogen? According to the Sadzeff rule, this is more stable because this is alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon, and this is alpha carbon. So 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Here there are 8 alpha hydrogens because here there are 2 hydrogens. Here if you see, there is just one alpha hydrogen. Here we can consider this is to be just 1. For this, there is just 2 alpha hydrogens, right? So here there are just 2 alpha hydrogen, isn't it? 2 alpha hydrogens, 8 alpha hydrogens. So according to the Sadzeff rule, this is more stable, right? But here, this will be a minor product. Again, although this is a Sadzeff product, this is minor product. I'll tell you the reason. This is Sadzeff product, more alkylated, and this is Hoffman product. This is, I will write major. The reason is that if you ask me which alkene is more stable, so here stability is due to resonance. Resonance means conjugation. This alkene, there is a conjugation, pi sigma pi. If there is a conjugated alkene, that is always more stable than the non-conjugated one. This is not a conjugation, pi sigma sigma and then pi. When conjugation is possible in this pi sigma pi or pi sigma positive, or it is pi sigma negative, pi sigma free radical, right? So this leads to conjugation. So here this is conjugation, this is non-conjugated. So conjugated system is always more stable. So Hoffman product over here will be major and this will be a minor.